Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is lesson number 7. Correct, kids? I hope you all are ready to learn something new. So come on, open your page number 37. Okay, this is your page number 37. Okay, kids. Now, what you can see? You can see this girl. You might have seen this in some of the other cartoon. Do you remember which cartoon? Yeah, it is Dora the Explorer, right? It is a character from the Dora the Explorer cartoon program, and this name is Dora. She is a little but a brave girl who likes adventures. Even she has got one pet. Yes, she has got a pet monkey. And do you know what is his name? His name is Boots. Okay, so by seeing this picture, what do you have understood? Today we are going to have fun with our chapter story time. Can you see this name of the chapter? Yeah, story time. So here what they are saying is they have given us your favorite toon stars. Toon means what? Cartoon stars, right? And we have to, and they have given us in puzzle, and we need to find out the answer for it, right, kids? Now let us start. Okay, now see the first question. What they are given us: guess who I am. What they're saying, here it is, guess who I am. And in the word bank, what they have given, they have given us the word Tweety, Snowy, Scooby-Doo, Captain America. Okay, now with the help of this word bank, we'll have to solve the given questions. Correct? So let us see the first one. I am a yellow canary. Everyone says I am naughty and I can do anything to save myself. Who am I? I will show you the image of this yellow canary. Okay, wait a minute. This is Dora, right? Okay, let us see the image of yellow canary. She's a yellow canary. Now, I know you got the answer by seeing the picture. Yes, the correct answer is Tweety. Okay, now this is the second picture shown in the second question. See, such a strong man, right? And what they are saying about the picture? They are saying, I am a superhero appearing in Marvel Comics. I am responsible for protecting the earth and I carry a shield to fight enemies. Okay, he carry a shield to fight enemies. Now, this superhero is, come on. Now, Tweety, we got the answer. Now, it cannot be Snowy, it cannot be Scooby-Doo. So, yes, it's correct. He is Captain America. What is he? Captain America. Now, in the third question, they have shown you this picture of this dog. Okay. Now, what they are saying is, I am a part of a Super 5. I am involved in solving Scoopy cases. Now, what do you mean by Scoopy? The word Scoopy. Scoopy cases means the cases in which ghosts are involved, right? So he solves Scoopy cases with his team. But do you know one thing? That he himself is afraid of ghost. Okay. But I am scared of ghost. I can hide myself anywhere when he see a ghost. Correct. So come on, guess. Who is he? Correct. Scooby Doo. Who is he? Scooby Doo. Correct? Okay. Now this the last question of your first one. Question number 1, fourth. Correct? Now what they are saying about this person? They are saying, I accompany Tintin in solving all his adventurous cases. Okay, you can see this boy. This boy, his name is Tintin. And this fellow is saying that I accompany, means I help this person to solve many adventurous cases. Come on. So Tintin's pet is this dog and his name is Snowy. And he is his best friend also. Correct? So they both solve adventurous cases. So what is his name? By seeing his color you can understand his name is Snowy. So we got our fourth answer, that is Snowy. Correct? Okay. Now what about this pair? Correct. Mickey and Minnie. What it is? Mickey and Minnie. They are both best friends and mostly are seen together. Yes, this is given in your match the following later on. So keep the characters in your mind so that you can match it correctly. Correct? Now what is the next given? Let us see. Okay, what is it? Come on. Tom and Jerry. Tom is a cat and Jerry is a mouse. Tom wants to eat Jerry, so he runs behind Jerry, and Jerry always tries to protect himself, right? So which pair is this? Tom and Jerry. Correct. Okay, now let us see this. Yes. What you can see in the hand of this boy. What is this boy called as? Chota Bheem. Yes, Chota Bheem and his best friend. There's that girl. Her name is Chutki. They are both best friend and they help each other in solving problems of their village. And what do Chota Bheem like to eat? Laddus. His favorite is laddus, right? Okay, let us see the next one. What about this pair? Yes, one more is given. Correct. By seeing the flying carpet, you came to know, right? Yes, it's Aladdin and Jasmine. Now, you know that Aladdin was a poor boy, but he is a kind hearted person, right? And Jasmine is a beautiful princess who was very adventurous and brave. Okay, so got the pair? Okay, let us see the next picture. So you can see which the image of a duck. It's a famous duck. Yes, known as Donald Duck. Okay, Donald Duck, right? Is most of the time he is frustrated and angry. And what about this too? Chip and Dale? They are very naughty chipmunks and always try to trouble Donald Duck. Okay, so can you match now with Donald Duck whom we should match? Chipmunks. Okay, kids. Now let us see the what is given in our book. Correct. Now here, as I told you, the first answer is Tweety. Correct. Later on you can write it. Yeah. The second answer is Captain America. The third one is Scooby Doo. And the fourth question, which is given on the next page, answer is Snowy. Correct, kids? So at least for the time being, you can put the numbers on the correct options. Come on, write 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay. And later on, in this dash, in this blank given, they've given you blanks now. In that, you'll copy the spellings correctly in a good handwriting. Right, kids? Come on, let's move to the next page. Hmm. So this is your next page. Okay, so here as I told you, what is the answer? Snowy. S-N-O-W-Y. Right. Okay. Now let us match the given pairs. Now with Mickey, who will go? Minnie. With Tom, Jerry. With Chota Bheem, Chutki. And what about Aladdin? Jasmine. And who always troubles Donald Duck? They are Chip and Dale. So here we have finished with 2 questions of our interesting lesson, story time. Okay, we'll stop here and continue the same lesson in the next period. Bye kids. Have you all copied this? Want time to copy? Here you can do one thing. Easy and shortcut way I will tell you. This is your 1. Here is 2 in front of Jerry. In front of Chutki is 3. In front of Jasmine you will write 4. In a smaller handwriting, yes. My handwriting should be visible, so I am writing in a big handwriting, right? But you will write it very neatly, and then later on with the help of scale you will match the things, right? And this Chip and Dale will go with your Donald Duck. So come on, for the time being you can do one thing. Only put the numbers correctly. Yes, I will repeat the numbers. 5, 4, 2, 3 and 1. Okay, later on with the help of pencil and scale you will join the pairs, right? Bye kids.